Sometimes the hardest choice is not between something useful and something useless. Sometimes it is between two kinds of pleasure. One arrives quickly, the other makes you wait. You sit in front of the screen, your hand resting softly on the mouse, while the game is already open, warm and familiar, ready to welcome you inside. One click and everything begins to respond. A sound, a movement, a reward, then another and another. There is nothing wrong with enjoying that rhythm. Sometimes you need something easy, something immediate, something that lets your mind relax while the finished world carries you. But behind that window, another pleasure may be waiting. Quieter, slower, more intimate, a blank schematic in EasyEDA, an unfinished library in VS Code, a project that does not reveal itself immediately because it waits for you to come closer, to touch one line, place one component, and discover what happens next. The game gives you pleasure quickly. Creation gives you resistance first, a trace that refuses to fit, a function that almost works, a compiler error that keeps teasing you until you lean closer, breathe more slowly, and begin to understand. And when something finally responds, when the compiler becomes silent, when the trace reaches the correct pad, the pleasure feels different, deeper, warmer, because the result remains. The code will still be there tomorrow. The board will still remember every connection you placed, your logic, your timing, your decisions, your touch, translated into something real. And perhaps motivation is not something you need before you begin. Perhaps motivation appears after the first contact, after opening the file, after writing one imperfect line, after making the project slightly more real than it was 5 minutes ago. You do not need to finish everything tonight. One line, one trace, one function, that may be enough. So maybe you play one match first, enjoy it fully, without guilt. Then, when the screen becomes quiet again, open EasyEDA, open VS Code, place your fingers on the keyboard, take one slow breath, and simply notice which pleasure you want now. The quick pleasure of entering a finished world, or the slower, more sensual pleasure of staying with something unfinished until it begins to respond to you. Perhaps tonight we play, perhaps tonight we build. Perhaps we begin with just one line,